Hi everyone, welcome back again to Lucy Family Kitchen. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today. Let's make quick delicious breakfast. For today's breakfast, I'm going to be making banana pancake. So watch this video till the end to see how I made this delicious banana cake. So let's start by peeling 3 ripe bananas. After you are done peeling them, put them in your large mixing bowl. Trust me, after watching this video, you will never throw away your overripe banana. Use your masher to mash your banana once you are done peeling them. So next, crack your egg shell and pour the egg yolk and the egg white into your mashed banana, and also add your liquid milk, vegetable oil, but make sure that you are using a unflavored vegetable oil. Then use your whisk to mix everything together. So next step is to sieve in your flour. Make sure you always sieve your flour to remove lumps or any unwanted particles from it. Then add in your baking powder, a pinch of salt. Then use your mixer to keep on mixing until you form a perfect batter for your pancake. But make sure you do not over mix your pancake batter if you want your pancake to come out well. Cover your cake batter and let it rest for about 5 minutes. So 5 minutes later, this is what your pancake batter should look like. Next, place an empty dry pan on the heat. Spray some vegetable oil. You can also use butter. Then use your kitchen towel or kitchen paper to wipe the oil out. So next, scoop in your banana pancake batter into your pan and let it cook for 3 minutes on a low heat or until it forms bubble. So once it forms bubble, flip it and let it cook for another 3 more minutes. And once you are done cooking your pancake, use your spatula to take it off the heat. Then repeat the same process with the remaining pancake batter until you finish everything. Finally guys, this is what your banana pancake should look like once you are done making it. So go ahead and top it up with some fresh sliced banana and honey, then serve and enjoy. Please, my amazing viewers, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, maybe today is your first time of coming across this my channel, please subscribe, like and share this video. And also don't forget to tell me what you think about this recipe on the comment section. See you guys on my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.